Hello again and welcome to my channel. Today I just want to present you my new project. This is the 1974 200 Honda CB200T. Currently you guys can see, I noticed that it seems to be leaking oil, gas from the gas tank. So that's the first thing that I'm gonna try to address. You guys see there are big holes, so I'm gonna try two things. One of them is just try to clean it. I'm gonna use the electrolysis method, and then after that we're gonna try to patch those holes. As you can see, try to patch them, and some of them were very successful. This one with that JB weld. I'm not really a big JB fan, but then now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to do the cleaning, probably patching those holes and put a liner. I guess that's gonna be the best thing, or if not, well, we'll probably get a new tank. In the meantime, as you guys can see, I got those cheap carburetors that you can probably find online just to make sure it runs. I want to rebuild the ones from this truck, this motorcycle, and but in the meantime I just put this one there, like $70, so I put them in there new. The only thing that I got so far is this pipe. If you guys touch it, there's nothing going on here, so it feels weird. It runs, but it runs like in one cylinder, because, well, it is running in only one cylinder. That one, as you guys can see, was nice and cold to touch. This one is really hot, so I don't even want to touch it. Seems like the problem seems to be dirt from the tank is going into the carburetor, because the first thing happened, I swapped the carburetors and then it worked this side, no, the other side. So that's what I'm gonna do now. Probably just take care of the problem first, and I don't know, let me see if you guys have one of this, if you like the project, if you have any experience with any of this. I don't really know what to do. For now, I'm just gonna clean it up, try to make sure it runs, and then I don't know, put some comments. Thank you.